to verify identity on PrizePicks. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to verify your identity in PrizePicks. So it's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. So if your account isn't automatically verified after you sign up, that means you need more information before you can verify your identity. So to complete this process, you only need your smartphone and a government issue ID, such as your driving license or a passport. If you follow the instructions in the app, the verification process will take less than 2 minutes. So after you submit a valid government ID proof, you will be notified with one of the following status report. Either your ID will get verified or it will ask you to resubmit your ID, and PrizePicks may also place your ID verification in review, and it can also deny your ID verification altogether. So if your PrizePick ID gets verified, you will receive a notification that says verification successful, and you will also be provided a link to the deposit page where you can add your funds to your account, begin playing PrizePicks. And if it asks you to resubmit your ID, the most common reason would be that the picture is blurry and improper lighting, or invalid ID like a library card or debit card. So you need to make sure that you are using a passport or a driving license as your identity verification to verify your identity. And if PrizePicks place your ID proof in review, then a verification specialist will review your account information further, and PrizePicks will let you know accordingly. If the PrizePicks deny your identity verification altogether, get denied, you will be unfortunately not been able to play on PrizePicks, and PrizePicks reserve the rights to deny verification to anyone at its solo discretion for security reason, and you will not be able to provide specific information to individual regarding why they have denied. So this is basically how you will be able to verify your identity on PrizePicks. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.